Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. After changing the Iridium spark plug on my motorcycle, it went so well and so smooth after I ride, so I'll just go ahead and change it on my scooter too. So today let me show you how to change on your scooter. So you got the spark plug, you got your toolkit, and just remove the cover right here. Okay, let's put that aside, and your spark plug is right here, the orange plug. Hope you can see that. So all you do is remove the orange plug first to get to your spark plug. Let me try with okay, got no leverage here. There you go. Okay. Remove that. Okay. So after you remove the plug, go ahead and insert the tool. Okay. Hopefully I can get that out. Okay, it should come out now. I think I got my plug. Oh, great. I think my plug just fall. Yep. I think my plug just falls straight down to the casing. So I'll go ahead and get that out. I'm back again. So instead of a very simple job, and now I actually dropped the spark plug and it's going down all the way to the housing down here. So I now have to remove this whole thing to get the spark plug out. There, your spark plug. Now we're just gonna get the new one in, and that should be it. So be careful not to drop your spark plug. I guess that's one of the lesson. Don't drop your spark plug. So brand new spark plug, Iridium. Here is the part number. And now you just need to put it in by hand first. If I can get to, where is it? 50 feet, where is it first? So it's in here, right? Yep. It's right in there somewhere. Okay. Slowly, don't drop the spark plug in. Slowly screw in by hand. And then use the tool. So if everything's good, go ahead and plug the plug in. Okay. And that's it. Now you just need to put everything back together and you are done. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.